Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can export your 3D model from Revit to the Unreal Engine. In the end you will have something like that. So you can make some environment, you can make your building and apply some textures. So let's get started. What we're gonna do, you just need get or do by yourself some model in Revit. Here I have this pretty simple building with curtain walls and just walls and fixed windows. You can add some ceiling and floor, up to you. So when you will finish this, we should export your model. First we will go to 3D here, and after this we're going here and export FBX. Export whatever whenever you want. Let's call it house number 3, and let's save it. So for now we have two choices. First choice, we go straight away to the Unreal, but it's bad choice because all materials what we applied in Revit Unreal doesn't exist. So for this my recommend going first to 3D Max. It's my previous model. Let's create new, don't save changes. Okay, let's import our object. So import, and here we are, house 3. Open. So we don't need any animation, check it out, and camera and lights and even global ambient. So advanced options, everything okay, and type okay. So here we are, just click on the perspective and Alt W, and what we're gonna do now, as you see all in our curtain wall, all mullions, it's a separate object, but we don't need separate object. I will tell you later why. So what we're gonna do, I want make it like one object. So click on the mullion, right click and select similar. As you see we selected only mullions, so let's isolate that. Only we can see now only mullions, so click on that, and now we need attach, and let's attach all mullions what you have. You can do by list or you can do manually like me, it doesn't matter, as you want. So here we are, right click, and as you see now we have only one mullion. It's like one mullion. Okay, anyway, so unisolate now, and let's do same with the window, because you see it's different object, but I want it to be one object. Let's click on the window, select similar, isolate, one similar, and attach. Right click, done, and unisolated. So what we're gonna do next, let's start from the ceiling, from top to the bottom. Click on ceiling, isolate that. If we will use the material in our Unreal, he will apply material for whole object, but I want it to be one material here and second material here. How to do that? Actually pretty simple. So click on the M, like material. I will delete previous materials. So let's create some material. Doesn't matter which one. If you're using V-Ray, you can use MLT, Skyline, up to you. We need just another material. So let's apply white material for the exterior, and for interior let's see, it will be red maybe. Anyway, so okay, Ctrl I, and let's apply our material for that side, and again Ctrl I. Now we need other material, so let's copy it and let's apply, and let's make it red, something like that. And as you see, we have here white and have here a red one. So in Unreal we can use now different materials for these two sides. But we need one more thing. Let's go to the unwrap. Actually we need just unwrap map, because this is pretty simple thing. So just box, and that's it. Let's try again. Oh, my mistake. Like this. And now box. Okay, we need make it in the center. Anyway, I will do it first. Something like that. And last thing what we should do is collapse to. Yes. So, and unisolate. Now we need to do this thing for whole walls and our floor. I will do it fast. So when you will done that, we need to now export it to our Unreal. No worries, if you forget something, you can change, you always can change that. So let's go to Unreal. I will create new scene for that. For example, let's create new scene for you guys. So delete that one and let's create. For now we need create new project. This up to you guys, so I recommend for you use the start content, and I need only blank. So my project 2, create the project. So we got our scene in Unreal. Let's go back, let's delete all furnition. We don't need now that. Let's delete it. And now we need import our content here. Let's create a new folder and let's name it house. And let's do here same house. What we're gonna do now? Now we need export from 3D Max our model. So select all what we have and go to the export selected. Let's call it house 3 dash underscore 1 and check out the animation, camera, light, and okay, just okay. Let's go back to our project. Let's go to inside our folder house. He asked me about the plugin, but I will tell you about the plugin later. So now we have our fbx file with house here. We need just drag and drop here inside. Just default settings, don't change anything, import all. Few seconds. About it's about material, doesn't matter. So we get our mesh, it's here. From here to here is our mesh. We need to create new folder. Let's call it mesh. And let's put it there. Move here. Few seconds. Okay, we got clear only our building. And select all and just drag and drop some in some part. Look around here, our building. So before, don't touch on the UQ but anything. Before we will do something, just drag and drop to the house. Now we know like all our building in one folder here. It's easily to make some changes. So okay, actually now our house is so big. If you go to plan view, you can see it's totally big, because it's my wrong. I didn't change the dimensions, but it's okay, we can scale it. 0 0.1, 0.1, 0 0.1 and 0 0.1. Enter. Now as you can see, we scale it very well, I think. And let's put it somewhere here. Let's go again to the perspective view. So our house is here. What about materials now? Actually, as I said, if you're using starter content, just open the folder with start content and go to the materials. It's here. Just few seconds, it will load. And now let's apply all materials. So we will start from the curtain wall. Just glass to the glass. Let's make the chrome to our mullions. Let's basic wall. Let's do here same. And as you see, we need here also glass material and one more here. So what about inside? Inside easy, we can easily use the ceramic, and let's make the some color wall. Maybe we will use some wood. Just up to you guys. If you don't like ceramic, you can use a wooden floor, but you see it's so totally big, right? Anyway, we're just going inside into the this material. Just go to the left and texture coordinates. So let's make it like 2 by 2. I think it will be too small, but we will try and we will see. Few seconds. Pretty small, but it's okay. Now you know how to change the material. So you can copy it and make different scales and maybe different color, up to you. Oh, we forgot about our ceiling. Let's make some futuristic. It's look not okay, but anyway, let's like that. So just few things how you can import your model into Unreal, and you can get something like this one. I just spent like few minutes for this. And if you saw my previous video about the Substance Designer, we have one more thing how you can use our our own material inside Unreal. So I created my tile, and now I will drag and drop inside to Unreal. It's not easy, I think. Let's put it here. So import my material, and it's here, Eclipse Mat. Let's apply it, and as you see, I need to rebuild light, but anyway, I put my material here inside. So with this simple way, you can create your own stand with your building. It's not easy like in Lumion, but here you have more future. You can make even some dynamic objects, and you can make some playable scene when you can just walk around, just put some sounds, and maybe a little bit more like interactive between you and your project. It's more experience, I think. Thank you guys. Sorry for so messy lesson, because I did that. I wanna share with you. I will try to do something more with Unreal and Revit, between Unreal and Revit. Maybe it will be a good way.